I wanted to see how it was to put a cast iron radiator on a steam mini tube system. What's known as hybriding. I wanted to hybrid the system. And so I had a customer that was remodeling her kitchen and she wanted to get rid of a radiator. Perfect. And so I took this radiator. It was originally one pipe steam, and I pulled the bushing out, or pulled the valve out, bushing and the original 1-inch valve out, and put a bushing in that went from 1.5 down to 1/2 inch. Put a radiator trap on, and then I went to 1/2 inch OD tubing. I wanted to be a little bigger than the 3/8 that, or the 1/4 inch that I tubing that I ran on the rest of the system. On the return, because there might be some debris, some rust that gets out of here, and it would clog up a 1/4 inch tube. So I used 1/2 inch OD tubing, which is 3/8 ID for the return line. Now on the supply, I could have pulled the plug out and put it up high, and that would have worked, and that would obviously work because that's where the nipple port is. But what I wanted is, I just wanted as an experiment, I wanted to take and put it in where the air vent went. And this is where the air vent on a 1-pipe radiator would be. And it comes from the factory, the 1/8 inch pipe thread. I drilled it out and tapped it to 1/4 inch pipe thread. And then went with 3/8 OD 1/4 inch ID tubing for steam supply. And the reason I did that was I wanted to see what, is this feasible? Does it work well? Because then it would make it easier to retrofit somebody's existing 1-pipe steam system to make it more economical to run. And not only did it worked fantastically. I wish I had done it worked so well, I wish I had done the rest of my house with cast iron radiators being fed by the steam on a mini tube. And but it does work very, very well. And here's the thermal video so you can see the steam actually going into the radiator.